Hi guys, how are you all? I will continue the vocabulary series and your support is important for me. Come to the first word, remnant. It is a noun. Meaning is what? A small piece or amount of something that is left from a piece, larger piece or amount. What does it mean? Consider this is a piece of chocolate. You have eaten this part. The remaining part is the remnant. This remaining part is called what? Remnant. Synonym is what? Remains, residual, cut piece or remainder. In a sentence, uh, how can you use? I will sell this remnant to you. And its adjective form is remaining. Okay? Understood? Come to the next. Denounce. Very, very important word. So whatever may be what I am going to discuss, which all what I am taking from the newspaper. So no need to be worried and very important words. Denounce. Meaning is what? To criticize. To criticize something or someone very strongly. Its synonym is what? Castigate, condemn, criticize. And its opposite is what? Praise. Example. The government economic policy in pandemic situation has been denounced means criticized on all sides. Is it clear to all of you? Denounce means what? You have to remember criticize, castigate, condemn. Okay? Come to the next. Come to the next slide. Respite. Respite means what? A short period of rest or relief from something difficult or unpleasant. What does it mean? Consider you are doing work means you are continuously you are doing work and you want to take rest or you want to take a break. This is the respite. And adjournment, it is also meaning is what? Respite. Pause. Okay. Now come to the example. She said that the holiday was planned to give them respite. Respite. It's another usage. Another part of speech is verb, but rarely it is used. So you have to remember the noun form. Clear to all of you? Come to the next slide. Bolster. Bolster you can use in both verb as a verb and as a noun. Bolster in verb form means to support or something, to support something or make something stronger. Means what? To support something or make something stronger. Its synonym is what? Strengthen or support. To make them strong. Okay. She came with me to bolster my confidence. Or its noun form is long, thick pillow. Next to come. Come to the next. Lethal. Lethal is very important word. Adjective form. Causing death. Extremely dangerous. Synonym is fatal, deadly, mortal, harmful. And opposite is harmless or safe. Carbon monoxide is more lethal than the carbon dioxide. You already know that. And I'll be teaching science. No need to worry. How carbon monoxide is more lethal than the carbon dioxide? Douse. Douse is the verb form. Means what? To make something or someone wet by throwing a lot of liquid over it, him or her. Synonym is what? Moist, wet, extinguish. The phrasal verb extinguish is put out. Flood, inundate. Okay. Why we are using as a extinguish? Because consider this is the fire, and whenever you will be poured through the water, then it will be fire will be extinguished. Means fire will be vanish. This so far we are using extinguish. Other use is what? Consider if you douse a light, that means what? You turn it off. Means switched off. Okay. the pumps were started and the crew began to douse the fire. Clear? That means extinguish the fire. Extinguish the fire. Clear? Okay, this is the end of the video. Established.